So now this is my car project, newly running car project, and I'm really happy to see the progress that I have come so far. So this is a mini rover, and this was to mainly repair these kinds of bubbles, right? So this car was painted in Sri Lanka, and before like 5 years time we painted this car at a professional painter's shop. So even though it was painted by a professional so-called painter, they never could stop this bubbling, right? Okay, welcome back to my next video. So here I'm going to show you how we are going to apply the oil-based primer onto the bare metal here. So now I have sanded down the bare metal here, you can see, as much as possible. So only the infected areas are cleaned up and sanded down like this, and other areas where they did not show any bubbling, I just left those areas without sanding them. So I'm going to do some welding less repair, right? Welding less repair by using this epoxy. So I will show you what are the areas that I'm going to apply this epoxy. So we'll go to the car. So it's ready here, and you can see here several areas. Okay, so we are going to get into the second most fundamental step in the paint work, that is to apply our NC primer on this finished body area. I'm going to use 1:1 ratio to mix this up, right? So we'll see how it is done, and we need to mix this as well. Okay guys, welcome back to a new video. So today I'm going to explain about my paint gun. Actually this is my father's paint gun, which recently became my paint gun. Okay, so welcome everyone to Mr. Gadget Motoco YouTube channel, right? Okay, so we'll just have a look upon the back side of the car. So already you can see here, this is the roughly applied body filler, right? Here it's hard like a rock, right? Like this. Okay, so welcome to our next episode here of the video. So you can see how we have sanded down the body filler. It's really a mess how it's working, and it's really nice and soft for the hand, right? Okay, so the next main step would be, so now we have spray painted the filler coating, right? And now on the top of the filler coating we can still see several minor uneven areas and minor damages, right? And here you can see just like pinholes, you can see like pinhole areas that needs to be covered up.